चिकित्सा विकास गावणेकर आमचे जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, गीता काकोडकर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर, आमची गौतमी आमचे अंडर सेक्रेटरी आणि डॉक्टर केदार आणि आयज आमची सकाळच्यान मिटिंग्यो चालूच आसा कशें कितें फुडें वचपाचें, कशी पावलां घेवपाची. COVID-19 जे आहा हे जे पेंडेमिक हाउ टू काउंटर दिस पेंडेमिक. We have had today rounds of meeting with all our doctors, nodal officers from different hospitals to understand what the present situation is. Last few days also we have been struggling with and ensuring, Secretary has been, Mr. Ravi Dhawan has been ensuring along with other team members to see that the oxygen supply, everything is well within control. And also what we have had meetings about issues with related to our nodal officers so that we are able to smoothen things out and take things forward and ensure that sufficient bed capacity is made. At the moment, as we speak, when we say bed capacity, means those are oxygen beds which we are talking about. We are not talking about just plain beds. As a result of which we have to take a full review of what is actually happening. आम्ही आज कितें ठरयलां की गोंयचे जनतेक आनी हे मॉर्टेलिटी कशी कमी करपाक आमी कसली पावलां घेतली. पयर एक्सपर्ट कमिटी जाल्ली, एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची मिटींग एक जाल्ली आनी ते इनिशिएट जाल्ले त्या बरोबर सेक्रेटरी आनी ते कमिटीचे सगळे प्रायव्हेट आनी गव्हर्मेंट डॉक्टर्स आमचे डीन सगळ्यांनी ठरयले की जेन्ना मनीस वयता टेस्टिंग करपाक सो दॅट वी डोंट वेस्ट टायम ऑन द टेस्टिंग अँड अदर थिंग्स. वी इमिजिएटली स्टार्ट द procedure of giving him a strip of with a leaflet with exactly the procedure we followed, a strip of paracetamol, doxycycline and ivermectin, so that we don't wait for any kind of a situation, because a lot of times if you start this early, and I have also taken doxycycline, it is not affected me. In many places they give it to the frontline workers also. So basically this is one thing that we are starting immediately. In addition, what we are doing, we have seen that in the PHCs, CHCs there is a huge rush for testing and for taking swabs and all. And only the medical officers used to do the swabs. I have traveled all over and I have seen that right from America to many other places, you see that the technician takes, it can be a lab technician, it can be a nurse, it can be a MPSW, it can be A&M. So we have told our doctors to train them. What we want to do in order to make it life easy for the doctors, because they are as it is overburdened. One is, once again, we want to separate out the testing centers from the PHC and CHC, or create a separate place where the testing only takes place. Similarly, monitoring of isolation kits for the positive patients also we have reviewed, so that people receive those isolation kits on time, people can start the treatment, but we are not waiting. So this protocol, Dean will also explain technically on the protocol. हे सगळे करपाक हे सरकारान पावलां घेतल्या, मुख्यमंत्रीच्या मार्गदर्शना सकयल आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आनी त्याच बरोबर आमी कितें ठरयलां की आमचे डॉक्टर पालेकर जे आहा ते सगळे हे होम आयसोलेशनाचे पेशंटाक मॉनिटर करता, ते स्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरींग करपाची गरज आहा. आनी आमी आतां एक लेटर आमी इश्यू करतले प्रत्येक पेशंटाक दॅट ही हॅज टू स्ट्रिक्टली एडोर टू द SOPs ऑफ होम आयसोलेशन. केन्ना केन्ना लोक होम आयसोलेशन आसता आनी भायर भोंवपाक वयता सगळे कडेन आनी ताजो प्रॉब्लेम मागीर जाता. आनी म्हणूनच आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन आमकां लोकांचें जीवन जर सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाय तर वेगवेगळ्या तरेचे SOPs जे आहा बाकीचे सगळ्या गोष्टी खातीर आमकां ते स्ट्रिक्टली मेंटेन करचे पडटले. आनी हे जे स्ट्रिप्स आहा हे जे आमी सांगला की विथ द लीफलेट वीच वी आर ट्रायंग टू गिव इट टू पीपल हू कम फॉर टेस्टिंग, that will from day after tomorrow we'll be making it available for every person who comes for testing, so that he can start that treatment protocol immediately without waiting for the report to come. As you are aware that the Goa government is also increasing its testing capacity. It has also tied up with Thyrocare for the timing, so that there is no backlog, and now the backlog also has reduced, and I don't see why we cannot bring it up to date, because with these new machines coming in, also having a tie-up with another agency, we'll be in a better position to take this forward. And most important, as you are aware, that there is a third strain which has come, triple mutant strain जो आयला जे बेंगॉलाक डिटेक्ट जाला. So this is a little worrisome. So we have to be a little careful of what is happening within the state of Goa. आमकां गोंयान काय आमकां आमी आतां नवीन मशीन एक घेता, तांकां with that they will be able to detect what strain, genome sequence machine, and तेज्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां ते कळटलें की खंयचे स्ट्रेन आमच्या राज्यान आहा, जो खंयच्यान जर गरज पडल्यार त्याचे थोडे पॅरामिटर्स असतात, त्या आधाराचेर ते टेस्टिंग करतले. त्याच बरोबर सांगल्या प्रमाणे IL-6 डी डायमराचे टेस्ट ऑलरेडी चालू झाले GMCन. देन फाल्यांच्यान साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान IL-6 चालू जातले. म्हणजे आमच्या पेशंटाक योग्य तरेचे आमकां लॅब इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करून आमी तेंचेर लक्ष व्यवस्थित आमी दवरूं शकता. प्रॉब्लेम एक कितें जाला की ट्रॅव्हलर खूब गर्दी करता येवन. सो वी हॅव डिसायडेड दॅट ट्रॅव्हलर्स वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी टेस्टिंग ट्रॅव्हलर्स. They can go to a private lab and get themselves tested. We'll be testing only people of Goan origin and people who are here for medical reasons who need to be tested. But for traveling purpose, if anyone wants to do testing, that we will not be doing in our PHCs and CHCs in our hospitals, because it increases the burden on the system. Hence, as a result of which, this is the decisions that we have taken. In addition to this, we are ensuring that also we were talking, Secretary, myself, we were discussing taking a view of our Undersecretary and others also suggesting, she was also suggesting is that having paid quarantine facilities which are there. So there are some people who don't want to be at home under isolation. So they can be identified, notified, paid quarantine centers, because if you notice now, with all over the country, people don't want to travel. And there may be some 3-star, 2-star, based on a budget. If there are some notified centers, then perhaps people can go and opt and use that. Perhaps it will become a business opportunity for those people. Instead of keeping it idle, it will help them earn some revenue. And person can also get an independent isolation center for use. But it should come as a comprehensive package, so that will be discussed. We'll come out with what we want to do on that. And similarly, if somebody doesn't want a government quarantine and he wants to opt for a private, like if you go to Singapore, if you want a 5-star accommodation, you pay X amount of money. Then they allot whichever hotel they have under their list. If you want a 4-star category, you have to identify that. Then you can allot whatever you want. So people have to come forward. So if somebody wants in the present situation, perhaps that could be a good suggestion. A lot of times if people find it very hard to home isolate in the house, and as a result the family gets infected. So it depends on person to person, and as a result of which we are taking these steps. And I think with these steps which we are taking, we are also working on commissioning about 150 beds in the super specialty hospital and new super specialty block. I think in another 2-3 days we should be able to commission at least 150 oxygen beds. So today evening I think Secretary will also visit. Secretary has already visited. I will also visit. And what is that? आणि ICU बेड्स जे असतले म्हणजे ते ऑक्सिजन आणि सगळे तरी मॉनिटरिंग करून आम्ही थंय आणि एक 150 कॅपॅसिटीचे आम्ही कांसावली पूर्णपणे हॉस्पिटल विल बी ओनली फॉर कोविड. त्याच तरेन ह्या तरेन बेड कॅपॅसिटी वाडोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. खंयच लोकांक कमी पडची न्हू बेडाची. आणि त्याच बरोबर म्हापशा हॉस्पिटलान 150 बेडाचे आम्ही ठरयला हे करपाक 150 बेड्स इन द आझिलो हॉस्पिटल. So basically this is what we have discussed today throughout the day. एक्सपर्ट्साचे बी ओपिनियन तेंचे आमी घेतले. ह्या तरेचे गोष्टी आमी करूंक सोदता. तेंचे बी मत आशिल्ले की ते बरे डिसिजन आहा. ह्या तरेन आमी फुडें वचूंक जाय. मॉर्टॅलिटी कशी कमी करपाची हेजेर बी चर्चा जाली आनी आमकां कितें करूंक जाय तें आमी डिस्कस केला. त्याच तरेन स्ट्रिक्ट मॉनिटरींग आनी डेथ ऑडिट डीन करताच. त्याच तरेन कितें जाता की लोकांनी टायमशीर तुम्ही पळयला की खूबसो लोक 24 वरां भितर एक्सपायर जाता कारण दे कम एट अ क्रिटिकल स्टेज. एज अ रिजल्ट इट बिकम्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू गिव देम एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट बिकॉज दे ऑलरेडी lungs are damaged and they are in a very bad position. And we don't want to lose people. Hence, as a result of which we want people to come in time and immediately identify themselves to the authorities, to the doctors, so that we can give them appropriate treatment. तुमकां ते हेजेर सांगूंक जाय ते प्रोटोकॉल मेडिकल प्रोटोकॉल
फॉर
होम आयसोलेशन ते टेस्टिंग.
आता जे आम्ही पळयले जी आताची जी स्ट्रेन आसा डबल म्युटंट, दिस स्ट्रेन इज रियली डिफरंट स्ट्रेन. आमचे जेन्ना फर्स्ट वेव आयल्लो तेन्ना इन्फेक्टिविटी इतली नासली, प्लस प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ डिजीजूय चड नासली. सो आमी कितें ठरयलां आतां की पर्सन्स हू कम फॉर टेस्टिंग तेन्नाच तांचे वील ट्राय टू डू अ प्रोफिलॅक्सीस कायंड ऑफ ट्रिटमेंट. म्हणजे कितें आता जो कोण टेस्टिंगाक येता either he comes because he is exposed to some COVID patient or he feels that he should test because he has some symptom. So there are two categories. अशे दोन कॅटेगरीचे लोक आसतले जेंका टेस्टिंगाक तेणे सॅम्पल दिला आणि सिम्पटम्स ना. ह्या मनशाक सुद्धा आम्ही प्रोफिलॅक्सीस त्याच्या हातान दितले. कितें दितले आमी? पॅरासिटामॉल, आयव्हरमॅक्टिन अँड डॉक्सिसायक्लिन. आणि त्याच्या बरोबर ताका एक पॅम्फलेट दितले आमी की हे तुवें दवरप तुजे कडेन सपोज तुका जर फिवर सिमटम्स आयले आनी कितें आयले जाल्यार खोकली आयली जाल्यार ताणें ते स्टार्ट करप तोपर्यंत ताणें स्टार्ट करप ना आनी जो पर्यंत ताचो रिपोर्ट येना आनी जर रिपोर्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो जाल्यार डेफिनेटली घेवप अशेंच एक दुसरी कॅटेगरी आसा की तातूंत पेशंटाक सिमटम्स आसा पूण ताचो रिपोर्ट रेडी ना ताणें रिपोर्ट दिला आनी ही हॅज टू वेट फॉर सपोज 48 hours 24 hours ताका सिमटम्स आसा ताणें डायरेक्टली ही मेडिसीन स्टार्ट करची ह्या मेडिसिनाची एडवांटेज कितें की इट विल रिड्यूस द सिव्हिएरिटी ऑफ द डिजीज अँड यू विल नॉट गेट इन टू अ क्रिटिकल स्टेज म्हणजे हो जो प्रोटोकॉल आम्ही केला दिस इज इन कन्सल्टेशन विथ ऑलमोस्ट ऑल डॉक्टर्स प्रायव्हेट डॉक्टर्स एक्सपर्ट्स इन पल्मनरी मेडिसिन एक्सपर्ट्स इन जनरल मेडिसिन असे सगळे सिनियर लोक बसून हो प्रोटोकॉल केला आणि हो प्रोटोकॉल फाल्यांच्यान जे कोण टेस्टिंगाक येतले तांकां सगळ्यांक दिले जातले औषध हे मेडिसिन दितले थ्रू DHS हो एक इम्पॉर्टंट स्टेप घेतला गव्हर्नमेंटान सो दॅट होम आयसोलेशन म्हणजे जे लोक क्रिटिकल जाता आणि ज्यांची इन्फेक्टिव्हिटी वाडटा हांचेर बरोच कंट्रोल येतलो सो क्रिटिकॅलिटी विल बी रेड्यूस्ड
टेस्टिंग केल्यानंतर टेस्टिंग केल्यानंतर पण ते पॉझिटिव्ह असतील निगेटिव्ह असतील हे नंतर रिपोर्ट आल्यानंतरच कळतं त्यामुळे या लोकांनी बाहेर सुद्धा त्यांच्यावर कसं कंट्रोल ठेवणार
नाही आम्ही आता किती सांगला जो मनीस टेस्टिंगाक वता न्ही ताका दिसला आपूण एक्सपोज जाला आणि आपणाक सिमटम्स आसा ह्या मनशान टील रिपोर्ट कम्स ही हॅज टू आयसोलेट हिमसेल्फ आता आयसोलेशनान कितें जाता एक फावटी की आमी आयसोलेट जाता पण घरान आयसोलेशन तशी फॅसिलिटी आसना कित्याक एक सेपरेट वॉशरूम जाय सेपरेट तो डायनिंग करता सगळ्या बरोबर आणि ते स्प्रेड जाता म्हणून एव्हरीवेअर वी हॅव सीन फॅमिलीन एक मनीस जरी पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्यार सगळी फॅमिली मेंबर पॉझिटिव्ह जाता तितून थंय दोनूच गोष्टी आमी लक्षात घेवंक जाय की ताका सेपरेट वॉशरूम अँड दे शूड नॉट डायन ऑन सेम टेबल कित्याक आमी जेन्ना जेवता बरोबर बसून तेन्ना कोणूच मास्क घालिना अँड दॅट इज द हायस्ट दॅट इन्सिडन्स कॉजेस हायस्ट रेट ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन सो ही दोन गोष्टी जर आमी केअर घेतली जाल्यार ही ट्रान्समिशन जायना आता अशा लोकांक जेंका ही फॅसिलिटी ना दे कॅन कम टू कोविड केअर सेंटर दिस इज वॉट वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड विथ नोडल ऑफिसर आणि ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान सांगला की अशा लोकांक आमी कोविड केअर सेंटरान हाडून तांकां थंय आयसोलेशन दिवचें कित्याक थंय सगळेच पॉझिटिव्ह आसता
But what are you doing to, Minister? Can you tell us what are you doing so that the report comes the same day? Because
listen.
You have been saying constantly that
One minute.
whenever due to delay of reporting.
I want to just why we have just now secretary had a
if the
meeting.
report
1 minute.
comes after 5 days.
No, 1 minute.
How are you supposed to tell
1
us?
minute. Let me explain. Like patient came late, so as a result of which we are also understanding what is happening. Secretary just mentioned just now during this course of this press conference is that what Dean has just mentioned, the type of leaflets and the medication that will be given minute a person comes for testing. So we are not going to wait for that. Immediately, how do you pronounce it? Prophylaxis. The treatment. So basically, when a person comes for testing, immediately. Now the backlog was very high because we had a tremendous amount of load on the system. Today we have tied up with Thyrocare also, which is a private agency. In addition, we are getting 5 more machines. So I don't see with these additional 5 more machines and tying up with one agency, you will have any reason to have. At the moment, the backlog, which was at one point of time around 3,000, 3,500, has come to less than 1,500 as we speak. And what you are saying is
Relative doesn't show the pending.
पेंडिंग केसेस हा एक 1500-1600 किती हा तर डॉक्टर उत्कर्ष स्थिती 1,600. We will not keep any figure hidden from the media. 1,600. And second thing is that in order, after discussing with private doctors and for doctors from the medical fraternity from private and government, they said that we should use this protocol. So as a result of which this was initiated the other day, as a result of which this meeting was chaired by the Secretary Health, and they have come out with this treatment protocol which is being followed in other states also, so that we don't have to wait for that report to come. But same time we are working because the machines which are ordered, the 5 machines, this will come this week because they have to be, machines have to reach us, they have to be imported. and these machines have capacity of about 900 tests per day. So with this, an existing setup of infrastructure that we have got of TrueNet, Molbio, Abbott, I think there shouldn't be any issue pertaining to backlog. In case of testing also, why we have removed travelers out of this? Because travelers overburden the system. Instead, we should look at people just for traveling purpose. Those become a huge chunk. As a result, we have said they can go to any private this thing to do. Government will not do it. Hence, what you said, this is the way we have decided to approach the problem.
Sir, what is the status of oxygen cylinders?
Oxygen at the moment, we had a slight issue because it's being rationalized by overall, rationalized means not by us, but general rationalized all over the country. So now I don't see any problem for oxygen.
In January, we were allotted 2 plants. Why was it delayed? Why was it sleeping for 4 months?
See, listen, there are so many issues. Nobody is sleeping for it. There are certain formalities that you have to complete.
So now you are saying within 15 days you will be coming up with the first plant. So why was it
Yeah,
waiting for 4 months for
No.
this?
Yes,
These plants are coming from Government of India. It is not our state plants.
it is not
The
pertinent.
Government of India
They have
plants,
to give
they
it.
have done tendering, everything, identified the regional wise agencies, and now they have identified the agency, and that agency has been given the contract, and they'll be coming. They said the Government of India teams will be coming and installing in 15 days. That's what they said.
So another question on oxygen is the doctors have alleged that the oxygen supplied by SCOOP is half or mostly empty.
See,
What do you have to say about it?
there is nobody who can cheat the government, as a result of which there are officers, IAS officers who have been put on the job to monitor it very strictly. There is a person from GMC also who's put in that thing now, the whole team. And Dean also will give an explanation. Chief Secretary also is personally monitoring the availability of oxygen.
But why was
And also-
the sole supplier, sir, for all this?
But there's nobody is a sole supplier. If there's a tender, if somebody gets a tender,
So
you want to
just
explain?
once he was
No, I want to-
was there to supply oxygen.
No, there was
Why
nobody-
going for stop.
Arey Baba, listen to me. Nobody has stopped anybody. I was there for the meeting when we asked, collectors were there for the meeting when we wanted additional oxygen. So he was asking that please pay me money immediately. Now he's on board because people from the private
Now
sector.
you have put a gun on his shoulder. on his
No,
shoulder
listen.
and
No, I
supply.
can't. See, listen to me. Whether the government puts a gun on somebody's head, or when it is a critical situation, like all over the country, the states are acting in the interest of the public. Whether you consider it a gun on somebody's head, that I cannot give explanation to that. That is a disaster management committee which monitors all that. It doesn't come under me.
So how do you see that the private hospitals, don't you think that there should be a asthma on them also to make this come down?
People, we had a meeting the other day. I think that meeting we had in the cabinet also it was discussed. Already private sector hospital, chief minister also discussed with them, the private sector, IMA and everybody. Already we have reduced the rates much more than what it was last year by about 20% plus. And also voluntarily they have come forward to give beds, so nearly about 250 beds were identified for us, they themselves have given, because the person who goes to a private sector has to pay as per the package. So another additional 250 beds. But same time, government is also increasing the number also now to do 150 beds in Goa Medical new super specialty block. It involves a lot of logistics. We require a lot of equipment, lot of things, lot of manpower. When we put or ad, Dr. Disa will tell you, when we put an ad for medical officers, not a single person medical MBBS officer doctor came for that interview. As a result, it is a very tough thing. It is not from where I'll just create doctors and additional nurses you'll get, other people you'll get, but to get technical staff and that type is very tough. But still we are managing. Now we have taken Ayush doctors and all to report under the medical doctors, MBBS, so that they can supervise what the doctor tells them.
This point of time of pandemic, I think the doctors should have to come forward with a noble.
That I can't.
But government should take action because you are.
No, but how can I force somebody to join service?
So, but yesterday you are to it.
I think the government has the powers to call the IMA doctors. At least 100 doctors from.
I think Chief Minister has already interacted with them. No, they have interacted.
That's what I want. They are not willing for a full time, like 1 month, 2 months. I think they can offer their services, not all, but at least 50 of them.
But you can't force somebody to do something. At the same time, we have to see.
Government has the powers to quality.
At the moment, we are doing with a team of experts.
I don't think it is right. These days, the cases are rising. I don't think it is possible for the government doctors, like,
See,
Private doctors so they have their patients admitted.
No, but private doctors also have their patients, COVID patients. They're dealing with COVID patients.